the cards.
Okay.
Let's adjust the receipt by this lever. Okay, can you put the foot here?
Okay. Brake.
Yeah. It's comfortable a little bit tight. Yeah.
No, we're good right there. Yeah. We're good.
Okay. Then pause and pause. And again. Good.
Until something better came along. Until something better came along.
Yeah. That's it, man.
Thank you for stopping by and watching the video. If you got value out of the information, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.